Oh, would you look at that? Jen Budgie is preening their mother. That is very sweet. Yeah. Preen self a little bit, preen mom. Hi Booster. Hi Jen. Oh yeah, preen, preen, preen. Preen, preen, preen. Preen the feathers. Preen the wings. Preen the mom. I am recording. Just so you know. That is one happy baby Budgie and one happy mother. Booster looks so content right now. That's about the calmest I've ever seen Booster.
Let me know when you're done.
Oh, sweet baby. Preen mommy, preen self, preen mommy, preen self. About the same, right? Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.